Swansea College of Art are really proud to be hosting the World Illustration Awards now for, gosh, this must be the 6th time in 7 years. And this exhibition brings world-class illustration, so that's illustration from 72 countries to Wales, so that it opens up the floor to our students, to our staff and to the wider Welsh community. There are over 7 categories that are on display within the exhibition. And actually the broadness and the spread of the illustration on display reflects actually the destinations and all the various professions that our students actually pursue when they graduate. Anything from being a book illustrator through to advertising, filmmaking, and actually exhibiting as commercial artists within a gallery scene.
Illustration is everywhere, surrounds us everywhere, so we're really very pleased that we can share the breadth of illustration with the world, and with specifically Swansea and Wales here at the moment. So the World Illustration Awards are open to entries from all around the world, and we had 3,300 entries from 75 countries from all over the world. So it's people, professionals who've been in the industry for many years, and also young up-and-coming student illustrators that enter their work into the different categories that we have in the awards. So it really showcases the whole breadth of illustration. We're just immensely pleased that Swansea College of Art has taken up the awards yet again. It's been numerous years that the illustration exhibition tour has been here, and it's just great to to go everywhere and to share it. And there's great talent coming out of Swansea as well. So it's just good to show this, and hopefully inspires many fantastic future illustrators to do great work.